What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, MarketingMeathead.com. Today we're going to talk about Hotjar and how we use it for heat mapping and screen recordings. All right, welcome back. So if you haven't heard of heat mapping or screen recordings, it's basically a software that kind of goes over the top of your website and records what people are doing on your website, and it shows where people are clicking and whatnot. So I should have done this a long time ago. I'm going to admit that I'm a little late to the game on my sites having this up, but I have it up on my sites now, and we're uncovering some interesting things. We're kind of really getting an idea of what people are reading, what they're not, and it's forcing us to improve our sites, which is really cool. So if you're not making money online and you like to see a lot of how-to stuff on how a real business that generates 7 figures makes money, then this is a channel for you. Make sure you like this video, bang that notifications bell. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and leave me a comment below if you like the content, and make sure you like this video, like it. All right, so here we go. So this is the dashboard. Notice here, up here on the top left, there's a basically, I got all my websites, or some of my websites up here, and we got heat maps, recordings, funnels, forms, incoming feedback. You can do polls, you can do surveys, all on your website, okay? They do have a little bit of a referral program here, refer friends. So I'll put a link below if you're interested in signing up for this. There is a free version of it, so you can sign up with my link. I'll put, it'll be marketingmeathead.com/hotjar, so I'll make a custom link for that. It's nothing special. It's not like paid. You get the top spot receives a free lifetime bonus business account, which is pretty cool. So this guy here has got 33 referrals. So if all you guys go sign up for this and get a free account, then I think I'll actually get an opportunity to be in this top spot. But most likely I might get a T-shirt or something if 5 of you guys sign up. So I would appreciate it. So let's go back into the actual functioning of this thing. So it's kind of cool. I really actually like this software. It's simple. I did a video a couple days ago on Google Tag Manager. I'll put a link for that above. But the Google Tag Manager here, it's real simple if you want to put Hotjar on the sites. It's just, it actually does it kind of for you automatically if you have Tag Manager. But it's super simple. It just, once you set up a Google tag, you'll see that if we do a new tag here, and we click on here, you'll see it already has it kind of integrated with your Hotjar tracking code, okay? So it's super simple, okay? You can just Google it or look at the instructions in Hotjar and you set up a Google tag, and then it's up on your site and it's up working, okay? So let's go back into Hotjar and we'll see what we got here. So we got some heat maps I set up. This is one of my more popular pages. This just one day. We've already had 136 page views, and let's take a look at what people are clicking on here. It's kind of interesting. You got your desktop view, you got your tablet view, and you got your mobile view. Those are your 3 things. You can check your moves, your scrolls, that kind of stuff, view the data. But you can kind of see here where everyone's, let's go into the mobile one here. And you can see like where people are clicking. Like there's the menu, they're clicking here, trying to go to those particular pools. So this really gives us an idea of what, where we could possibly put buttons that people can click on so they can go to different sites. We have, they scroll down, it's really good data. I mean, over time, we're going to really get a picture of what people are looking at. This is a real popular page for us. Here's another one. Let's take a look at the my ClickFunnels landing page. Now, this one hasn't been converting that well for me the last couple of days. I'm actually making a few changes, but that one is not available for some reason. Let me go here to the thank you page. This is where, once people fill out a form, they go to this page, and they're clicking on that. So I actually made that clickable now. That wasn't clickable before, so it's clickable. They're clicking on to go back to the website. Nobody's really looking to go to Messenger. It's only got 3 clicks recorded here on the desktop here, and just one here. So it doesn't get record all of them, but it's really good. But the recordings are really what's money here. You can actually go in and watch what people are doing. For example, let's take a look at this guy. This guy's from Canada. It's on my Bachelor Vegas site. Let's see. This is actually, that was weird. Let's see what this one looks like here. So basically, you can do this 4 times the speed, or you can do it 2 times, 1 times. So they're just reading. They're actually reading. Okay. So, we can see that people are actually reading this stuff, which is interesting. My developer was like, yeah, I'm really surprised how much people are actually reading this stuff. So I'm like, yeah, we need to update some of the content, make sure it's good content because people are actually reading it. So we're trying to get our bounce rate lower because our bounce rate's really high right now. So we want to get that lower. Once we get our bounce rate lower, then our SEO is going to start to go higher. So it all kind of plays in together, and this is a really, really useful tool for that. I got my funnels set up in here. The funnels is really cool. You can put your funnel in here. I only got one session here, but if you put like your form, it'll show you kind of your conversion rates and all that stuff. And then your forms, which is really cool. Here's a lot of people have ended up on this form here because that's the most popular one. But you can actually see the drop off. A lot of people dropping off on this form for whatever reason. And you can actually go in and see first, last name, email, phone number, where they're dropping off. Okay, so this is just really good data. It's awesome. It's cool. And they have a free version for this. I think it only gives you like 100 recordings and whatnot. So if you have a website or a ClickFunnels page, you can go in and just go ahead and add this to your ClickFunnels. You can put the code in or whatever, or you can use Google Tag Manager, and it's free. So you can check out. You can get about 100 recordings for free, and you can really get an idea what people are doing on your landing page or on your website. But that's pretty much it. I haven't played around with the incoming, the polls or the surveys yet. I haven't delved into the software too much. I set up all this stuff already on the top pages and whatnot, so I can get an idea what's going on. But it's really good software. So this is Hotjar. Go ahead and click on my link below. Get into it if you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like it if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below if you like Hotjar or if you've tried another heat mapping software that you'd recommend for me to try. I'm the Marketing Meathead. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.